Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the reader view mode or reader mode in Edge app on iPhone. So launch any website or open any website which is a text heavy website, and if you want to view this website in a reader mode, you will be able to see this icon in the address bar which looks like a book. You can select that option and it will automatically open in the reader mode. So this is the reader mode, and you have this option to customize where you can select the font size, like if you want to increase or decrease the font size, font type, and columns and settings customization, even the color theme and etc. You can choose accordingly. There is also option to use reader mode in dark, and there is option to translate, whether you want to translate the particular content in any other language. So you can choose that and it will automatically translate into the chosen language. So in this way you can enable and use the reader mode in your Edge app on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.